Is this a penny or is it a cent? We are going to discuss that in this video. My name is Daniel and you are watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. Today we're going to discuss the Lincoln 1 cent. Okay, is it proper to call it a penny or you have to call it a cent? You know, a lot of people are calling them Zinklins, and a lot of people call them wheatbacks, shieldbacks, Lincoln Memorials. You know, there's all these names for it, but one thing that some people have a problem with is calling them a penny. So we're going to discuss if that's proper or not and what that actually means. You know, I have literally been involved or observed debates on this subject, and I've seen people get extremely nasty and disrespectful over arguing their point. I just want to say one thing before I get started. It's not worth it. It is never worth getting upset and carrying on and disrespecting each other over words, over meanings of words. You know, that's one thing that you need to reevaluate what kind of person you are inside if you are doing that over words. Okay? You know, one of the biggest points of argument that I hear someone say is that if you're calling our cents a penny, then it might confuse somebody from another country and they'll think that you're talking about their pennies, or they won't know what you're talking about a cent. And to me, that's a cop-out because, you know, if you're from United States or you're from Britain or whatever country you're from, if I say I have a penny and, you know, obviously I'm talking about a U.S. penny, I'm going to have the penny in my hand. I could say a British penny, I could say a U.S. penny, and there's not going to be that confusion. I have yet to run into anybody that was confused because I called our cent a penny. So I think that argument is pretty much, that's debunked. First off, I'm going to go to Wikipedia. It's not the only source I'm going to use, but we're going to look at what a penny means. The United States 1 cent coin, it's often called a penny, is a unit of currency equaling 1/100th of a United States dollar. Okay? Now, it was first produced in 1787. Now, when we look at penny, just penny, it says a penny is a coin or a unit of currency. They use pence as in the brackets there in various countries. So a pence and a penny can be the same thing. It is usually the smallest denomination within a currency system. Our cent is our smallest denomination in our currency system. Presently, it is formal name of a British penny. So basically, we're looking at formal here, okay? A penny would be a British penny, okay? But the informal name of the American 1 cent, as well as the Irish designation of the 1 cent euro coin. So what we're looking at is all over the world, we're looking at penny as being the smallest denomination in a currency system, and that it also means 1 cent, you know, basically 1/10 of a dollar. So we're actually looking at, when you use penny, you're looking at using it as slang, okay? So then we're going to go to the MerriamWebster dictionary, and a monetary unit of the United Kingdom, formerly 1/240th a pound, but now equal to 1/100 pound. Okay. Now it says a similar monetary unit of various other countries or formerly in the Commonwealth of Nations. Now, what we want to look at here is that it's basically 1/10 of a dollar. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go and look at what a cent means. It's a monetary unit equal to 1/100th of a basic unit of value, such as dollar, euro, rand. It's a coin or token representing 1 cent. Okay, so what we're looking at, as I said before, it's basically slang. But it also is proper to call our 1 cent a penny because a penny can be 1/10 of a dollar. It is the smallest unit of actual currency in our system. Okay, so a lot of people want to, you know, be upset about this. A lot of people want to argue their point. They want to go back and say, well, it says 1 cent on the coin. You can call it a 1 cent if you like. You know, actually, when you look at boxes from the bank, uh, wrap rolls, you've got pennies. It says pennies. It says pennies on the boxes, pennies on the rolls. And everybody knows that what a penny means. Okay, everybody knows that we use slang. Sometimes we use generic terms for things. And, properly, if you wanted to really get down to it, you would call it a Lincoln Shield Reverse 1 cent. If you really want to get technical, that would be the appropriate name because that's what's on it. But if I say it's a penny, it's still a penny, okay, because it's a denomination in our currency system. And so anyways, I just wanted to cover that a little bit. I know that it's one of those, debatable things. It's a hot topic at times. I've seen it in a lot of groups. You know, uh, People try to force other people to be formal, and, that's not a proper way to conduct yourself. If you don't like what someone says, that's fine, but I don't think that, calling a cent a penny or a penny a cent is going to hurt anybody. So anyways, thanks for watching my latest video. And please like, share, and comment, and click that little bell beside the subscribe button. And above all, have a great day.